Well, here we are on the side of Billy Goat's Bluff, cooling our brakes down because I ran out of front and rear. And Don's checking an electrical problem on his bike. He's getting into it. Let's go up and have a look, see what he's doing. One of the major issues there. What do you reckon has happened, Don, for the history books?
I think I might have just melted a fuse. Hopefully, get the stuff out. She's looking a little bit steady there. Very off colour.
Basically, Don's run out of battery voltage. It's gone flat completely, so as if it's not charging. Beautiful day, but not the best place to be stuck.